Flowers are nature's artwork, each one a masterpiece of beauty, fragrance, and mystery. But among the vast variety of blooms, there are a select few that stand out for their rarity, uniqueness, and the stories they tell. Today we explore 15 of the rarest flowers in the world and discover why they're so extraordinary. The Juliet Rose, a symbol of elegance and rarity, holds the title of the world's rarest rose. Created by David Austin in England, it took 15 years and a whopping $4.3 million to bring this beauty to life. Its delicate apricot hues and soothing fragrance make it a floral treasure, aptly named after Shakespeare's tragic heroine, Juliet. Extinct in the wild since 1803, the Franklin tree flower survives only in gardens thanks to conservationists. With its white cup-like petals and sweet fragrance, this flower from Georgia, USA, is a reminder of the fragility of our environment. This cactus blooms just once a year, and only at night. Found in Central and South America, its brief yet mesmerizing bloom, accompanied by a sweet fragrance, makes it a sought-after treasure in botanical gardens. With no leaves and a ghostly white appearance, the ghost orchid is as mysterious as its name. Native to Florida and the Caribbean, it depends entirely on host plants for survival, making it one of the most challenging orchids to cultivate. A flower like no other, the black bat flower is known for its rare natural black petals. Found in Southeast Asia, its unusual shape and color have made it a favorite among exotic plant enthusiasts. The chocolate cosmos from Mexico combines beauty and nostalgia with its velvety red-brown petals and a scent reminiscent of rich chocolate. Sadly, this flower is extinct in the wild, existing only through cloning efforts. Known as the king of orchids, Rothschild's slipper orchid is prized for its striking horizontal petals and rare habitat on a single mountain in Malaysia. Conservationists are fighting hard to protect this floral gem from extinction. Native to the Philippines, the jade vine dazzles with its claw-shaped blooms in shades of turquoise. As deforestation threatens its survival, conservation efforts aim to preserve its stunning beauty for future generations. Born from ashes, the fire lily thrives in South Africa's Cape Fold Mountains after wildfires. Its bright red blooms symbolize resilience, making it a floral phoenix in the plant world. The white Hawaiian hibiscus is a delicate beauty found only in Hawaii. With its endangered status, this flower serves as a poignant reminder of the need to protect native species. Shaped like a parrot's beak, this bright red flower is now extinct in the wild. Its unique form and vibrant color make it a standout in botanical gardens worldwide. Once thought extinct, the Gibraltar campion was rediscovered in 1994 on the Rock of Gibraltar. Its delicate pink petals are now carefully preserved in botanical gardens. Known as the queen of the night, the caduceus flower blooms for just a few hours in Sri Lanka's tropical forests. Its fleeting beauty and rarity make it one of the most mystical flowers in the world. From beauty to the bizarre, the corpse flower from Indonesia is famous for its putrid scent of rotting flesh. Despite its unpleasant smell, this 8-foot-tall giant attracts attention for its unique structure and the crucial role it plays in rainforest ecosystems. With a scent as sweet as chocolate and a history steeped in extinction, this Mexican flower is a testament to the importance of conservation and the wonders of nature. Each of these rare flowers tells a unique story of resilience, beauty, and the delicate balance of nature. Let's cherish these treasures and do our part to protect the wonders of our natural world.